automatic creation of UI graphics for Archicad. The Flexi-UI-Bitmap-Creator is designed to automate the creation of user interface graphics for Archicad. With a GDL library object, we can draw graphics directly in the Archicad floor plan and export them as JSON files. These files contain exact coordinates and color information for each element. A web application then converts these JSON files into pixel-perfect PNG images, completely automatically. Step 1. Setting up the drawing area. We start in an Archicad floor plan window. Here we see a GDL object instance, which consists of a drawing area, canvas, 7 available symbol types, and a color palette at the top showing the available pen colors and their IDs. In this example, we'll create a symbolic floor plan representation of a window, including frame profiles and doublings. First, we adjust the drawing area using hotspots, setting it to match the desired pixel size of our final graphic. Step 2. Drawing the graphic elements. Now, we begin placing elements into the drawing area. Each time we add an element, a new instance appears in the storage section of the GDL object. We start by adding drafting fills for walls. We place a drafting fill element to represent a wall segment, adjust its width and height, disable unnecessary borderlines, and set the desired fill color. Next, we create the second wall connection using the same process. Now we add the doublings and frame profiles. Each element is inserted, resized, and positioned. If we need multiple identical elements, we can copy and paste them. First, zoom in on the element. Move the center hotspot onto the copy symbol and save the values. The instance of the same element in the storage section will automatically take on these settings. By using paste, moving the hotspot downward, we can apply these settings to other instances. Now, we add the dimensioning symbols and guidelines. We place the arrow symbols and dash dimension guidelines and adjust their lengths. Finally, we add the frame outline lines and the glass symbol line. Step 3. Exporting the graphic. Once the drawing is complete, we move on to exporting the graphic. We open the object settings and enter the export path. This is the main directory of the web application on the local server. We assign a unique file name, which will be used for the final graphic. Now, we activate the export checkbox and immediately deactivate it again. This triggers the export of the JSON file. Step 4, converting to PNG using the web application. Now we switch to the web application in the browser. First, we refresh the page. Our newly exported file appears in the list. We click the file link. This opens a browser window displaying the generated SVG graphic. At the same time, the PNG file automatically opens in preview. In just about 5 minutes, we've created a fully automated pixel-perfect UI graphic for Archicad without any manual post-processing.